In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Mailerlite email campaign in 2025, step by step. To begin, log into your Mailerlite account and open the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. From there, click Create or Create Campaign to start building a new email. Next, choose your campaign type. For a standard newsletter or promotional email, select Regular Campaign. After that, you'll be asked how you want to begin. You can start from scratch if you want full control, or choose a template if you like a faster setup with a pre-made design. Now it's time to choose your editor. Mailerlite usually gives you options like the drag and drop editor, the simple editor, or the custom HTML editor. If you're new to the platform, the drag and drop editor is usually the easiest choice because it lets you build visually without coding. Once inside the editor, design your email by adding your content. This can include text, images, buttons, links, and any other sections you want your subscribers to see. Take your time here and make sure everything looks clean and easy to read. When you're happy with the design, click Done Editing. After that, enter your campaign details. Add a campaign name so you can recognize it later inside your account. Then enter your subject line, choose your sender name and sender email, and add a pre-header if you want a short line of supporting text to appear beside the subject in inboxes. The next part is selecting your recipients. Click Select Recipients, then choose the groups or segments that should receive this email. If needed, you can also exclude certain groups or segments, which is useful if you want to avoid sending the message to the wrong audience. Before sending anything, review your email carefully, preview it, and check how it appears on both desktop and mobile. Also confirm that the subject line, sender details, links, images, and overall content are correct. It's also a good idea to send a test email. Click Send a Test and send a copy to yourself or a teammate so you can catch formatting issues or broken links before the real send. When everything looks good, click Send or Schedule. You can choose Send now if you want it delivered immediately, send later to schedule a date and time, deliver based on time zones if you want local time delivery, or smart sending if that feature is available on your plan. Finally, review everything one last time and click Send Now or Schedule. If you schedule it, the campaign will stay in your outbox until it goes out. After it has been sent, open it from the Sent folder and check the report to see how subscribers interacted with your email.